a comprehensive guide to service your AC with Airth AC Purifier.
As you've already purchased Airth AC Purifier, now's the time to understand the cleaning and maintenance for the same. Firstly, you have to remove the AC air purifier from the suction area and keep it separate. Secondly, ensure that your AC is getting serviced and cleaned thoroughly. And lastly, once your AC servicing is done, put it back. Winter version of our air purifier look like this with 2 HEPA filter. And the summer versions look like this, which comes with 1 HEPA filter and 2 airflow boosters. If you're using this, then convert it into summer version by just keeping 1 HEPA filter and 2 airflow boosters. Now comes the cleaning part. If you have been using the air purifier for 3 to 6 months, consider cleaning the HEPA filter with vacuum cleaner. But do not clean it with water. And if you have been using the air purifier for more than 8 months, consider replacing the HEPA filter with a new replacement filter